guys, what's up? Tessie here, and today I'm going to be showing you this queen size foldable mattress. I did receive this product to this video. Let's check it out. So after unboxing, we have this bag and these instruction manuals. It is super important to follow these instruction manuals just to get the fullest quality of this product. But after opening, you need 24 to 48 hours to let the foam totally expand and get to its fullest size. And then if there's like a smell to it, we just allow 48 to 72 hours to let that just dissipate. And then as for this bag too, there are zippers on both sides, so it's just easy for it to store, and it'll just keep dust and all that nasty debris out when you're just hiding it away and not using it. So they have 3 different suggested ways that you can use this. First one is just as a sofa. You double up the 2 bottom cushions, and then this back one is just a nice cozy backrest. So it'd be really cool to do like a movie night or just something to just like chill and relax. And the next way they recommend that you can use it is for a bed. And I'm 5'1" for reference. It's pretty roomy. You could lay down on it, fully expand. Another way that you could totally use it is for different yoga poses or stretching, just so you have that extra comfort. And this cover is machine washable. All you have to do is just unzip and take this off, which exposes the memory foam. And this mattress is 4 inches thick, as you can see right here. Hopefully this shows you guys everything that you need to know about this product. Thanks for watching.